All right, this is really enjoyable. Look at this right in our hands here. Mario's right here. This book, hot off the presses. Joining us now is local restaurant owner, a chef, cultural icon. What else, Mario?
Anything that you want
humanitarian
from me, we'll make it.
restaurateur,
Exactly. We do much of humanitarians, and we help many people at large, including earthquakes people, and as much as relief funds for people who are in need in every aspect.
You're always helping people in need. This is Mario Daniele. The book is, well, it's Mario's 100 recipes from the Landmark New York Rochester Restaurant.
Yes,
so,
yes.
100 recipes, Mario. From where? You're bringing these from your childhood, from growing up?
Most of the recipes are actually from Abruzzi region.
Yeah.
But the truth needs to be said. Sometimes a recipe needs to be adjusted to accommodate to the local culture. While many of the recipes that we carry are authentic, there are also some of it that we had to modify them slightly.
Is that because of what ingredients are available?
Not as that used to be a case a long time ago, but today, quite frankly, ingredients are available all over if you choose to spend the money for it. Mm-hmm. Like as an example, truffles.
Right.
You can buy the truffle sauce, which has been diluted by many other factors, or you can bring over the whole truffle, which actually, to be honest about it, I have properties in Italy where truffles are grown, and whenever I go back to Italy, they always let me bring back quite a bit of it.
I was on a truffle hunt in Italy last year with the dogs, and they found a couple of small truffles, and they said, that's a few $100.
Yes,
right there. These
yes.
little nuggets.
Yes, but then aside from the truffles, you got the saffron. Now, my hometown is renowned worldwide in the area which is called the Piano di Navelli. And this area, in the heydays of the cultivation of saffron, we had about 800 pounds of saffron, which represented about 80 to 85% of world consumption. Now, if you can imagine, in numbers, 800 pounds, it seems like nothing.
Yeah.
But in volume, 800 pounds of saffron would probably fill this room.
It's extraordinary.
Yes.
And as you can tell with Mario, I can go off tangent and just talk food all day with you. I want to make sure we talk about it because, again, we're talking about food, we're talking about recipes. The book, Mario's Here, is available now. Where can we find it, Mario?
Well, you can find this one at Wegmans. Mm-hmm. You can find this one at many other places, at Barnes & Noble's, Mario's Restaurant, basically Basil's Restaurant, the Crab Shack, and many other places. But we are going to be actually tomorrow, and this will make a great gift for this coming season. We're going to be at Eastview Mall, and there we are going to sell these books, and quite a bit of the profits that the book sale will generate will be given to the Pirate Children Toy Funds. And there is another way, as we spoke before, on how we help the community at large.
And by the way, who are these guys?
Well, these guys...
You will let anybody in off the street, it looks like.
Yes, well, that is my son Anthony and my son Danny, both in the business. And quite frankly, today, as we speak, they are both doing educational programs for themselves as well. And I will admit, thanks to them, I'm becoming a star. But thanks to them.
Anthony and Danny, no, we see them all the time,
yes.
Involved in so many different projects. So again, the book out now, Eastview Mall tomorrow, 4 p.m.
Yes.
And then January 12th, a Tops cooking class.
Yes,
as well.
I'll be at Tops at the places on Monreed Boulevard, and hopefully that many people will show up. And I have a chance to relive my cooking because, quite frankly, lately I have not done much of a cooking in the kitchen myself, but my desire is to keep on teaching people as well as I teach some of the chefs that work with us. And as you know, on an annual basis, we take some of the chefs and cooks to Italy because one of the things about food, it is not the recipe in itself that you have to learn, but what you got to learn is the smell of the food, the flavor of the food. That you cannot take it away from the internet.
And look at these beautiful images you have here.
Yes.
That's what you're going to find.
Yes. This one over here, the one on the right is an example, is the calamari, the grilled calamari. That recipe is, now that's speaking about recipes, that one is authentic, originally from Pescara, Italy, which is basically the capital of seafood in the Adriatic region. And we brought that over here that it is very difficult to duplicate unless you have the right equipment in this case.
Okay, Mario, well, here's the problem I have here is I want to do like an hour with him right now, and they're telling me I'm supposed to be out of time, but you know, you can extend this conversation tomorrow at Eastview Mall, 4 p.m. There's no time limits. You can come out, you can meet Mario, get the book signed for Christmas. January 12th, Tom's Cooking Class, and you can find the books again, as Mario said, at multiple locations, Wegmans, Barnes & Noble, and at the restaurants.
Yes, and online as well.
Online as well.
Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you for all the work that you and your family do.
And Merry Christmas to all out there.
All right,
Thank you.
the book is called Mario's.
Mario's.
We'll be right back.